Coast Fire, short for Coast Financial Independence Retire Early, is a powerful retirement strategy that offers a middle ground between aggressive saving and complete financial freedom. Unlike traditional FIRE approaches that require you to save aggressively until you can retire completely, Coast Fire allows you to ease off the gas pedal while still reaching your retirement goals. The name comes from the idea of coasting to retirement, letting compound interest do the heavy lifting for you. Coast Fire is a strategy where you have saved enough money early in your career that your existing investments will grow to cover your retirement needs without adding any more contributions. Think of it like planting a tree early enough that it will grow tall and strong without any additional watering. Once you reach your Coast Fire number, you can stop saving for retirement entirely and simply let compound growth work its magic over the remaining years until you retire. There are 3 key components that make Coast Fire unique. First, you completely stop contributing to your retirement accounts once you hit your Coast Fire number. Second, you continue working to cover your current living expenses like rent, food, and bills. And third, your existing investments grow through compound returns over time without any additional contributions from you. This approach reduces financial pressure significantly because you only need to earn enough to support your current lifestyle, not save aggressively for the future. To determine if you have reached Coast Fire, you need to use a simple compound interest formula. The future value of your current savings equals the present value multiplied by 1 plus the annual return rate raised to the power of the number of years until retirement. This formula helps you calculate whether your current nest egg will grow large enough to support your retirement without any additional contributions. It is the mathematical foundation that tells you when you can stop saving and start coasting. Let us break down each variable in the Coast Fire formula. PV, or present value, represents your current savings balance right now. FV, or future value, is your total retirement goal, the amount you need to retire comfortably. The variable R represents your expected annual return rate, typically around 7 to 8% for stock market investments. And N is the number of years until you plan to retire. By plugging these numbers into the formula, you can determine if you have reached your Coast Fire number. Let us look at a practical example to make this concept clear. Imagine you are 30 years old with $200,000 already saved for retirement. Your goal is to have $1 million by age 65, which gives you 35 years for your money to grow. If you expect an average annual return of 7%, you can plug these numbers into the Coast Fire formula. $200,000 growing at 7% annually for 35 years will reach approximately $1.07 million. This means you have already hit your Coast Fire number and can stop contributing to retirement. Coast Fire offers several compelling benefits that make it attractive for many people. First, it provides tremendous career flexibility without financial pressure. You can take a lower-paying job you are passionate about, start a business, or work part-time without worrying about retirement savings. Second, it lowers your income requirements because you only need to cover current expenses, not save 30% or more of your income. Third, it enables better work-life balance in your younger years when you have more energy and time to enjoy life, travel, and spend time with family. While Coast Fire is appealing, there are important considerations to keep in mind. First, market volatility can significantly impact your timeline. A major market downturn could delay your retirement or require you to resume contributions. Second, you must maintain health insurance coverage, which can be expensive if you switch to part-time work or self-employment. Third, your return rate assumptions may not materialize. Historical averages do not guarantee future performance, so it is wise to use conservative estimates and build in a safety margin when calculating your Coast Fire number.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.